Hello friends. So in this brief video we are going to see how do we evaluate handwritten scanned copies submitted by the students. So let me go to one of the course and we are going to open two things. There is one thing that we designed called submission link, and there was one thing called our exam or quiz. So I am going to open both. So this is my quiz and I see that there are 125 attempts. Then I go to my submission and I see that okay, 115 are submitted. So this is fine. Now I go and click on view all submissions. So I'll go and click on view all submission. It will show me the PDFs or documents uploaded by each student. You can sort it by anything that you want. You can sort by email address or first name or anything. So let me sort by email address. So I have this sorting. In the quiz also you can go to and do the same sort of sorting. So I have sorted here also. Now, so here is the student Vineet Jain, and this is the document uploaded by Vineet. You can click on this document. It will be saved somewhere, wherever you want to save, and you can open that. Now this is solution 1 by Vineet, solution 2, and so on. Actually I am showing you my lab record, but you will see the handwritten solutions. So now come back to the quiz and say review attempt, and let us say this was the question number 3 and this is the answer for question number 3. So you find that I should give it maybe 3 out of 5 or 5 out of 5. So simply click on this mark comment or user override and give the marks. This assignment, this quiz is already evaluated, so marks were already there. So you will enter the marks here and save. Go back to the PDF, scroll down, go to the next question, go back to your quiz, and keep on giving the marks. So you can open one PDF and respective review of the student, and wherever you find handwritten solutions to be evaluated, keep giving the marks manually. Once you are done with that, you can say okay, now we are going to finish attempt or finish review. So this student is done and we can move to the new next student. Now how to make this process little faster? When you are at the submission link, when you see all the submissions, there is this option called grading action, and you can go to download all submission. When I click on that, Moodle is going to collect all the PDFs, all the documents submitted by all the students, make a zip file and ask you to save it. So I have saved it. It's a The size will depend definitely on the total number of PDFs that the students have uploaded, and once you get that zip file, you can extract the content and it will show you one folder for each student, and all the files submitted by that student, they will come in this folder. So you can also do that, and that will also give you a digital record of all the answer sheets. So just a recommendation, if you want, you can download all the submissions and open PDF here, and then you can keep shifting very fast between the quiz. So you can open the PDF for Yashasvi, evaluate. Next you open the PDF for Amol and evaluate. Again, just make sure that in the end this grade is given to all the students. There is no one with the mark that grading required or grading not done. So once you are done with all, as we mentioned in the previous video, download the Excel file and save it for your records. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me regarding evaluation or anything regarding the Moodle. Thank you.